Have you ever looked in the mirror and realized you still don't like the person staring back? No matter how jacked you get, no matter how early you wake up, something inside still feels off. I was obsessed with improving. Every day had to be productive. Every action optimized. If I wasn't meditating, lifting, working, or reading, I just felt guilty. I thought I was chasing growth, but I was just running away from shame. See, I didn't want peace. I wanted to earn peace. I thought if I built the perfect body, if I fixed my sleep, if I made enough money, then girls would love me, guys would respect me, and maybe, just maybe, I'd finally feel like I'm enough. But here's the trap. Every time I reached a new milestone, it wasn't enough. One day I had a perfect day. Woke up at 4 a.m., cold shower, meditated, gym, work was productive, food was clean. And yet, when I looked in the mirror that night, I looked into my eyes and I still saw the same sort of shame and sadness for not being where I'm supposed to be yet. And that's when I asked myself a question. What's the point of all this if I never feel free? And as I kept going and learned more about different things, I ended up realizing something. Self-improvement isn't about becoming more. It's about removing what's in the way. I stopped treating peace like a reward and started to see it as the foundation of the journey instead. Because think about it. All we're doing with this whole self-improvement thing really is trying to get money, trying to get girls, trying to get fit, so that at some point, society will tell us, you've done enough now to deserve our respect, to deserve our love. So now you are enough. But the whole way throughout, the whole way towards those goals is pretty miserable for the most part. You feel like you're not enough. You feel like if you don't get those goals, you do not deserve love. You do not deserve to be treated with respect. You're ashamed of not having enough money, of not being fit enough, of not being good enough with girls. But what if, instead of chasing the peace that those goals would give you, you got the peace first and used it to get those goals while feeling like you're enough all throughout the way? I began practicing stillness, not as a tool to get somewhere, but as a way to be with myself. Some mornings now, I just sit in silence, not to manifest anything, not to win the day, just to feel what it's like not to run. And somehow, from that place, discipline became softer, focus became lighter, growth became natural. Now, I still train, I still read, I still build, but it's no longer a war with myself. I don't chase peace anymore, I walk with it. So, if you've been stuck in this loop, always striving, never satisfied, try silence. Try doing nothing and watch what comes up. I made a little guide on how to practice this quietly, daily. No spiritual fluff. And I don't need your email. I don't need to sign up, whatever. Just enjoy the doc. It's in the description. Just remember this. You don't need to earn rest. You are the one resting already. You already exist in that state. And if you like this video and you want to know why this whole peace thing is so important outside of just your rest, watch this video right now. And don't forget, work on the inside and the outside will follow. Take care, man.